Just want to show you this new development server that we have in this Treasury project, which is Playwright based on Playwright. So as you can see, what it does is to launch a Chrome browser, Chromium. You could also launch other Playwright browsers here. You could launch Firefox, WebKit, to use whatever you want, but right now it's only launching Chrome, and it also supports kind of overriding any Web4 contract here. So you specify which Web4 page that you want to test and use for local development, and then it will go there, and it will also make sure that so you can do all your edits locally and just reload and have the normal development cycle as usual. So let's launch it, and you can see here the command. So it's just we are just specifying which contract that we're going to use. So this will be this web page called webassemblymusictreasury.near.page. And we also specify here a storage state, which means that we can also appear as logged in when we launch it. So as you can see here, I've specified some local storage items that will be initialized when I load the browser. So let's just launch it, and you can see that we come in here, and as you can see, if we go to the local storage now, we can see that we have all the items from this local storage file. Since I'm now using a Ledger device, I don't have to expose any credentials in this file. This is just a public key, as you can see. And we can do now whatever changes we want to do. So if I go to settings here, for example, right now I'm working on this system updates page. Let's say I do want to make a change here, so I will just go into the widget file that I have. So that will be in this folder here, and we'll just go to the page with the system updates, which is here, and let's just make some change. So now you can see that would be the first column here in here. So let's reload the page, and we can see that the change is immediately there. So even though it appears as we are on the live web page, we are not, since it's now intercepted by the Playwright roots, which you can see, of course, if we go more deeply into how this works. It's all implemented here in the test folder in this dev server, and we can see in this redirect web4 function how it kind of handles the route to this page that we're going to go into, and it also handles all the calls to SocialDB, which contains all these widgets, and instead of fetching them from the network, it would rather go into our local file system and fetch all the widget files from there and display it. So yeah, so this is because of we are utilizing the Playwright features here to intercept, and this also makes it possible for us to not have a local development server. So as you can see, it's here HTTPS. We don't need to have a local certificate separate web server. We can use the feature of Playwright to just mock the original page. So that's it. Hope that you will be able to utilize this in an efficient way. Thanks for watching.